So let's now move on to some set operations. Sets can be used to carry out mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Now we can do this by using operators, so a specific symbol, or we can utilize specific methods, which we will observe in a few examples. So let's suppose we have two simple sets of integers, and we'll store the first set in a variable called a, and we'll have this span from 1 to 5. And the second set we'll label b, and we'll have this set spanning from 4 to 8. So two sets with 5 integers each. Now upon observation, we can see that the integers 1, 2, and 3 only exist in set A. 6, 7, and 8 only exist in set B, and 4 and 5 exist in both sets A and B. Now if we were to depict this in Venn diagram form, it would look something like the following. Now the left-hand segment, which is labelled A, would relate to those items that are only included in A. The part on the right section labelled B would relate to those items only included in B. And the middle section would relate to those items that are shared in both A and B. So if we were to perform a union on both A and B, this would mean we bring back the items from each segment into a single set, i.e. the left segment, the right segment, and the piece in the middle. And the way we can perform this is firstly by utilising an operator, which is the pipe symbol, the symbol that is a vertical line. And we place this in between the variable names containing our sets. So we could put A pipe B, and when we run this code, we get a new set returned with the integers from 1 through to 8, with the duplicate values removed accordingly. So we only see the elements 4 and 5 written once. So very simple to perform. We can also get the same result by using the union method. And seeing as the result will always bring back each value from each segment, it doesn't matter what set we pass in as a variable into the parentheses. Let me show you what I mean. So if I start with the variable labelled a, which we know is a set object, and then place a dot, we can then put the union method, and inside the parentheses we can place the second set we want to union. So in this instance it would be variable b. When we run this code, we get back the result with integers from 1 to 8, just like we saw when using the pipe operator. And if I change this so we call the method on variable b and pass in a into the parentheses, we get the same result. So a union operation will combine two sets together and take all the values from both sets and bring back a new set without any duplicates. You can use an operator, which is the pipe symbol, or you can use the union method in which you pass a second set into the parentheses.